Hello, welcome to Little Smiles International School Basic 4 online tutorial. Our subject for today is our world and our people. Our world and our people. Taken from strand 5, all about us. All about us. Substrand 2, myself. Indicator 1, your strength and weaknesses. Your strength and weaknesses. As an individual, God created you with some special skills and abilities. Those special skills and abilities are what we call your strengths or your abilities. Let's look at what your strengths or your abilities are. Your strengths or abilities refers to things that you are blessed with. As I said earlier on, you are being created with those special skills and abilities. So God has blessed you with those abilities. And you can easily achieve a lot when you decide to work hard on them. God has already given them to you. It is up to you to decide whether to work on them or not. But if you choose to work hard on your skills and abilities, you achieve a lot in life. Furthermore, aside these strengths and weaknesses, as human beings, we have weaknesses. And what are weaknesses? Let's look at them. Weaknesses refer to some parts of your life that you fall short of. So the parts of your life that you fall short of, those ones, you are not able to utilize them well. You take them as being mistake. That is your weaknesses. Let's look at some examples of strengths and abilities that a person may possess. 1, friendliness. Friendliness. Friendliness is an ability or a strength a person may possess. This is being as open as possible with everyone. Friendliness is being as open as possible with everyone. Always learning to choose a friend. You open up to others. There are some people who get angry immediately they see their fellow human beings. If you are that type, it means you are not friendly. Friendly people open up to others, whether they know them or they don't. A friend, let's look at who a friend is. A friend is someone you share secret with. Someone you're able to share your secret. Things that you don't want others to know. You are able to tell your friend. That is your secret. Things that you don't want everyone to know. That is your secret. And you can always count on to defend you in your absence. Friends or a good friend is someone who defends you in your absence, but not someone who will tell lies on you in your absence. The second strength is kindness. Kindness is a strength or an ability. Kindness is helping others when they are in need. If you are able to help others when they are in need, it doesn't mean, sorry to say, you are stupid. No. It is a strength that God has given to you. It is not everyone who can help others when they are in need. So if you're able to do that, you thank God because it is a strength. The next strength is confidence. What is confidence? Being confident means being bold. You are bold. If you are bold, you set goals. And without fear, you accomplish them. You set goals for yourself. I want to be a doctor in future. And you work towards that by learning hard, being obedient, listening to your parents to achieve that doctor you said you want to be in future. I want to be a lawyer. You work hard towards that and you achieve it. That is confidence. Let's look at the next strength. Respectfulness. It is not everyone who is respectful. So if you are respectful, it tells you that that is your strength. There is a saying that respect is reciprocal. That means respect comes back to you when you give out. When you respect others, they respect you back. That tells us that respect is reciprocal. If you respect others, they always respect you. People who don't respect others are not being respected. Let's continue to look at some weaknesses a person may also possess. Below are some weaknesses a person may possess. 1. Selfishness. If you are selfish, it is a weakness. It is a weakness. What is selfishness? This is wanting everything for yourself. As a human being, don't try to look for everything or want everything for yourself. Anything good should come to your side. Immediately it goes to your brother, then it is no good. No. If you are like that, you are being selfish. Let's look at the next weakness that a person may possess. Timidity. Timidity. Being timid means always staying back and showing signs of fear when it comes to going forward. When it happens that everybody is to go forward, only you withdraw. You are timid. Timid people don't even answer questions in class. Sometimes they even know the answer and they will not talk. When their parents ask them questions, they may know the answer, but they will not talk. Being timid is a weakness. Let's look at the next weakness. Jealousy. Being jealous. Being sad for people who are happy. When people are happy, he is sad because they are happy. When somebody is happy, he becomes sad because he is happy. No. And feeling happy for others who are sad. When others are sad, he or she becomes happy because they are sad. If you are like that, you are a jealous person. And it is a weakness. It is not a good character. Let's look at the next weakness. Anger. Anger is when you lose your cool. When you lose your cool, your body temperature goes high and the body starts shaking, calling in for some actions. Anger is a weakness. When you lose your cool, your temperature goes up and you want to attack people because of what you've heard, because of what you've seen. It is a weakness. As a human being, you should be able to control your anger. Let's see some ways to improve our abilities and overcome our weaknesses. Some ways to improve our abilities and overcome our weaknesses. Those strengths and abilities we mentioned earlier on, how can we improve on them to achieve a lot in life? And the weaknesses we made mention of, how can we also do away with them or overcome them? 1, by education. If you are being educated by pastors, by teachers, by elderly ones, you will know how to build upon your abilities and do away with your weaknesses. 2, by constant practicing. You have to practice to be respectful in order to be respectful. So you practice good abilities to earn them. And you practice to do away with weaknesses so that you'll be able to also do away with them. So constant practicing helps us a lot. 3, training. You have to train yourself. Training comes with practical life aspects. You do them. Things that you learn, you have to try putting them into practicals. When you train a lot, you build upon your abilities and do away with your weaknesses. The last one is counseling. Counseling is when you go to people that are older than you and knowledgeable than you to learn new knowledge and skills to build upon your abilities and do away with your weaknesses. So counseling also helps a lot. Children, below this tutorial, there are exercises and assignments there. Download them and solve them and present it at the school premises for marking. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will meet in our next tutorial. Until then, bye-bye.